Okay. Okay, now we're back. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Can't believe I didn't have anything even on. Yo, how we doing, chat? Feeling good? Yeah, I'm making an app. Um, Waiting. Um, if you look at the chat that I sent, I have a 24/7 video editor. What we do is we make, my computer in the other room makes videos for me. It makes edits for me. It does the voiceovers, and then it gets it edited for me. So if you take a look at the chat that I just put out, that's something that we make. Yup, 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 yup. So what else are we doing? Should we do some more push-ups? I don't know. No one's chatting, so I can't do any more push-ups. How do I redeploy? How do I redeploy this thing? Redeploy. Yo, Sonoda, I really appreciate you coming back. That was sick. Appreciate it. Sees clicks in the main page. Clicking inside an embedded frame. Embedded editors. To embedded frames too. Okay. Capture time blur. Nothing blurs sensitive info. Okay. Also, let's work on the iframe. Yeah, that's important. Yo, we got some viewers in here. How we doing, guys? How we doing? Where we from? Can we get some chats? I'm feeling like I need to do some push-ups. Let me know where you guys are from. I'll do some push-ups. Electric companion. Okay. All right. We need. Come on, guys. What's let's see. If you guys could make any software, what would it be? What's the idea? Okay, here is, if you guys don't want to do that, this is, so I have a full team of about 8, and we do, we make all these videos. And right now we have a nightly routine. So my AI goes into all the logs and watches basically every single video and tells me what's wrong. So this is the log. Right now it's saying, yeah, I built this review backlog thing. It's fine. Okay. Some nights, no AI password, nothing posted Discord, transient signature, still failing, that's fine. Software tag corruption, oh yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna fix this. Okay, that's fine, we can push this. 2, that's fine. Because we don't actually have an issue with this anymore. Build the 2 things that were never built. A Discord alert on TTS exhaustion. Needs manual 9 and a post render auto proof for clean risk fish. As long as it actually drains the review pile without mirror review hours. What does that mean? Build the 2 things. Discord alert on TTS exhaustion. No, we don't need that. And a post render approve auto approve for clean finish renders. Okay. Yeah. No, let's not do that. Yeah. Cheap ops wins. Gate the V2 shoot list, upload with the same software validator. Can't see. Want me to start? It's a good question. Untouched beyond it, the beat compresses to narration. 6 seconds, fast footage, fast forwarding, editor, set, blah, blah, blah. Are never capped. The AB render of fine sellers logged 4 of 9 screenshots. Matching big with low texture UI. Interpolated, blah, 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 except for low code, tightly trusted. Sana, da 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 da. Okay, yeah. Fix that, please. And re-render. And replace the file in the drive. Don't do anything else. Don't. But make sure that you know what. Arian Dange, what's up? Trying to make me do some push-ups? Gotta have a real conversation with me though. What time is it now? Oh, Passion Record. I remember you. It's 10:06 a.m. in Los Angeles. How are we doing, guys? Am I doing more push-ups? Should I do 50? Do you guys think I can do 50? Okay, yep. Run this, but make sure that you're thinking up and downstream, that you don't screw with other things. Nico77_C, what are you trying to build? So I'm building a 24/7 video editor that makes videos for my YouTube channel. If you want to see, here you go. Here's a link. You can check it out. But thanks for jumping in the chat, Nico. Let's see. You know, before I was watching you, it's 4 a.m. now. It's 11 p.m. the same day. Damn, dog. I got ill today. Had gastric. Oh, that's not good. That is unfortunate, my friend. Oh, the operator protocol, you're back. Okay. All right, we're doing some push-ups. We're doing some push-ups. You guys ready? You guys ready? Okay, we're doing push-ups. Okay. How much should we do? I'll do 30. I'll do a good 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, easy. 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 Light work. Light work. Light work. Yo, thanks for coming back though. I appreciate it, guys. Oh, I gotta update that push-up counter because low key we be cooking that push-up counter. We're at 80. I kind of want to get to 100 though, low key. By the way, why do you do push-ups for live? I didn't understand the logic. Is it for interactivity or something else? Yeah, it's more just to, you know, give people a reason to chat. And yeah, I just gotta stay locked in and healthy. That's what I like to do. I like to do push-ups as well. Keeps me strong. It's for these. These don't come for free. Monetizing working out. Yeah, low key. Low key. No, I'm not. I don't really get paid off of the live stream, I'll be honest. But yeah, I do this more for fun, honestly. I do enjoy just talking to you guys. So yeah, that's kind of why I do it. Just keep people engaged, give myself a little activity, working out. You know what I'm saying? In your afternoon, evening today. All right, Passion. I will see you later because I am going to be streaming later this afternoon. So I will see you. We'll see you later. Thanks for dropping by. Preach. Preach. Okay. You can keep everything that I pushed to main on main, then make sure that we are doing. Have to sleep because it's late night and have to wake up at 4 a.m. again, so can't stay in live for longer right now. Sorry, sir. Yeah, dude, no problem though, but I do appreciate you coming in. Yeah, it means a lot for sure. But yeah, I will see you later. I'll still be working. So thanks for dropping by. Afternoon one time, I might try to come. Probably in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 7 hours, 6, 7, low key. I'll probably live stream again. I'm probably gonna live stream for another like 2 or 3 hours. Maybe another 2 hours and then take a little bit of a break. Actually, low key, I might just start cutting some meat. Maybe I can cut meat with stream. That'd be kind of fun. We'll see. But I'll be on later for sure. Appreciate you coming out. Can you tell me an IST? Just 6 hours from now. 4:13 PST to IST. 5:30 a.m. 5:43. But I might be earlier. What meat, dude? Okay, you guys gotta see this. This is some crazy stuff. Yeah, so I have this meat cutter. All right, let me show chat. Sorry for today's Google's class before. Nice, dude. It's cool. So I have this meat cutter. It's like you like chop meat like this, and then I basically buy meat in bulk, and I make Korean barbecue. Yeah, dude, good night, brother. Appreciate you coming out. And I make like these super thin slices. Look at that. Sweet. Because like meat is so freaking expensive these days. So I buy it in bulk and then I cut it myself. It's pretty fire. Dude, honestly, like it saves so much money. And it tastes so much better. Like I cut meat like this. Yeah, dude, you don't eat meat. That's probably good. And it's not that dangerous, dog. Don't even trip. From farmer's market? No, I get it from like Costco. It's a little cheaper than like a farmer's market, but yeah, dude, I could probably like cut the meat like this, dude, low key. Yeah, you eat only plants. That's good, man. You're a better person than me. I love to eat meat. Sai Shanker, hi bro. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Do you guys actually you guys want me to take a break? Should I start cutting some meat though? Low-key, plant-based foods and milk. Would you guys rather watch me cut meat? Cause it's like kind of fun. It's like low-key super fun. I got like an hour. I am new to your channel. Welcome, Sai. Yeah, what I do is I have like a 24/7 video editor. Actually, maybe I'll cut meat later. I gotta set everything up. Dude, Sai, just cause you're new to the channel, dude, I'll do some push-ups just for the boys. But I feel bad to living to feed ourselves. Yeah, dude, low key. Like, no, I definitely get that way to think. But right, aren't plants also alive as well? I know they might not be sentient as like an animal, but that's kind of my thoughts. 24/7 video editor, yeah. So this is my, I'm from the US. Dude, should I do more push-ups? Dude, I'm getting hella viewers. Is that what we do when we get viewers? We do push-ups. All right. How many should we do? Can I get a poll? How many push-ups? 10, 20, 30. Good night, my friend. Good night, Passion. It's good to see you, brother. All right, we're gonna do 30 more push-ups. Actually, yeah, let's just do 30. All right, gotta get, I think it's the meat. What do you mean? I think it's the meat. What do you think is the meat? Okay, let's do some push-ups. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We did 30 push-ups. I think it's the meat. I think that the meat gives me strength. I'm able to do more push-ups because I eat meat. Oh, it's so minor. I gotta update my push-up counter. What was that, 110? Let's go. Yo, if I'm at 5 likes right now, if we can get to 8 likes, I don't know. I'll do something. Bro, what is your job currently working? Yeah, I do YouTube. You can see my channel. We do pretty well. We do about like 330 views a month. And I also run a marketing agency, so I do SEO. So yeah, basically I just make videos for, what I do is I have about like actually I have 7 people working for me, and we make about 100 videos a day. And what I do is I build software for them to make them do their job better, or to allow them to make better videos. Okay, then I push the main, then make sure that we're doing, okay, are tracking the right changes. No, that's not what I'm saying. That we okay. All right, guys. What else should we do? Let's keep on working. Okay, scope. One of the remaining Indeed. This iMac, blah, blah, blah. Please do this for me. Okay. Is there any new content from you? Yeah, dude, I would check this one out. I teach people how to, you can make a website for Claude. New ideas? What do you mean, like ideas? Like things that I make, or things that you should make? Dude, honestly, okay, if you guys actually want some real sauce, um, the best thing that I found that AI is good at um, is onboarding. So, interviewing somebody and then collecting information. So, if you think about it, like what does AI also onboard with? Um, that's things like sales agents or um, I don't know, like AI is just really good at collecting data, filling in the gaps when there's issues, and then pushing out complete content. So it's good at taking in information, cleaning it, pushing it out. That's some like real sauce. Like if you really want to learn about what AI can actually do, onboarding, AI onboarding is huge. I use it in basically all my software. So that's some key info, I'll be honest, if you guys want some ideas. Okay, done, Rarify. Let me give it a look. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, okay. A cordless click. Okay. How far are we from having you pilot and document all of this? Harnessing. Thank you, buddy from India, going to sleep. Yeah, brother. Salute. Good night, my friend. Please come back though. You gotta come back. Yo, do we got any events coming up here? Oh, that's all doing done. Watch party. France versus Spain. Oh, interesting. We just discuss stuff. All right. We're not looking at this. Wait, but I didn't run anything on the other side, or did you even freaking restart our server? Hello? Come on, dog. Oh my gosh. Holy moly, dude. I am almost able to build this. Holy shit. Dude, you guys have no idea what I'm building right now. This is crazy. This is absurd. Oh my gosh. How am I looking, guys? Do I look chopped or what today, brothers? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it. And then please also think about what else we need to do to get this boy live. Dude, are you guys seeing what I'm building? This is crazy. Make a plan. And then we can get to work. Oh my gosh, you guys see what I'm building? Am I the only one in here? Damn. Sooner or later, what I'm gonna have is we're gonna be able to just like ask it to do something, and then it'll just like respond, or like not it'll respond, it'll just like freaking do it, and we can just watch it. Oh my gosh, dude, this is crazy. I think that we're onto something. I don't know what we're onto, but like we're onto something. Oh, you know what? I have to check. I do have to check this. Yo, guys, what are we doing? I'm trying to do more push-ups. Can we get some chattas? Some chat. Bobby. Bobby. Bobby AI. Bobby AI. Bobby. Bobby. Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Okay, so what are we doing here? We need to do, we need to make sure that my uploader can use the right tools. Let's go to Bobby. Nope, nope. Where did it go? You know what? We're just gonna let her do it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What's next? What's next? Hey, if you guys are interested in what I do, this is my 24/7 video editor who makes videos for me. One thing that I am building right now, and you guys are all here to see it, which is freaking cool, is that it's eventually going to be able to make videos like this by itself, as long as I give it good directions. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. So we're like almost there. We're like freaking almost there. It's pretty awesome. So then my video editor will also become a content creator. That's pretty crazy. The operator protocol, yes. Wow, thank you for staying in here. I appreciate you, operator. Damn, so you actually low-key got like a lot of my, you understand a lot of what my software does. That's pretty sick. Yeah, so operator, you know, you're actually one of the only ones that really stay in here and support me. So I do appreciate that. You might not chat all the time, but I do see you and I hear you low key. So I do appreciate that. But yeah, I'll just talk to you, operator. So basically, we're going to be able to make these videos, and Claude is going to be able to control everything. So once that's going to be possible, oh my goodness, like we're going to start seeing some crazy stuff because yeah, Claude is going to be able to control the browser and record the videos for us. It's going to be freaking crazy. Okay, you merge it and tell me when we should run the new prompts. Just give it to me and I'll make the prompts. Yo, operator, where are you from? If you don't mind me asking. UK. Oh, the UK. Awesome. That's sick, man. Or them or her. Don't mean to offend anybody. Um, the UK. I actually went to London once. It was pretty good. It was pretty cool. I went to. What did I do in London? I don't even know what I did. Oh, I went to a soccer game or football. That was pretty fun. Um, I had an English breakfast. That was pretty interesting. I did stay a month in Ireland, so that was pretty interesting. Ireland. That was fun. Um, I stayed in both parts of Ireland. Ireland. I stayed in both the north and the south, so we went all around. It's pretty sick. It's pretty fun. I did like the UK. That was pretty good. I'm vibe coding on the side. Nice, dude. Honestly, operator, if you want me to look at anything, yeah, like absolutely, I'll look at anything that you want me to look at. If you, I'm, dude, I'm really good at SEO. Um, I also, I'm pretty decent at vibe coding, but um, what did I think about the people? Yeah, no, it was great. I had a good time. Met a lot of people at the bar. I think a lot of people were not like racist, but like I'm a pretty outspoken guy, and I don't take too much crap from anybody. So I was definitely playing hardball with the locals. Eventually, I got a lot of, or got some respect from them after we're like chatting after a Gaelic football game. Um, but yeah, I mean, they're great people. I think you don't see a lot of Asian people, so they didn't really know what to think about me when I was more outspoken than they thought I was going to be. But yeah, loved them. Food was decent. Um, you know, can't be mad about Guinness. I don't really drink. Um, at least now I don't drink anymore. But the Guinness was amazing. I love coffee, so it's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, so let's rewire this plan. I want you to test this out while it's being built. Let's try to move in that direction. Please let me know what you're interested. Please look into other. Okay, operator, this is my favorite prompt of all time. If you want to use it, you can. I don't care. But I always tell it to look into other open source projects and see if there is anything similar on GitHub, and then just bring back a report and we should look at it together. So that's one of my favorite things to do. That's one of my favorite prompts. Do I have dev experience? Yeah, I mean, I used to be a web dev, but kind of like a no-code web dev. Um, yeah, basically just building websites. But I did take CS in college. But I was still used to run. I was a product manager at a bank. So I used to work with a lot of devs. So I think that's why I took up vibe coding pretty quickly, because it was almost like I had to already speak the language. I'm really good with databasing and data mapping. Because since I led like marketing strategy and product development, then I would have to be able to run targeted campaigns, be able to query databases using SQL. So I guess if you asked if I had dev experience, I have experience leading dev teams, and honestly, I feel like it's pretty similar to vibe coding, like being able to lead an engineering like squad, while like understanding what they're doing, understanding their pain points, and understanding what is and isn't possible. That's kind of my thing. So I was like a product manager, and I know if you're a dev, you probably hate people like me, but I feel like I was a decent one. I took the time to learn, and really become good at the craft. Understanding databases, schema, learning SQL, but then also managing websites. So yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to do. Like I'm trying to make like a pitch to you, but that's kind of my thing. Okay, got to run this on my other side. Wait, what is your experience? Do you have dev experience? I'd love to hear. Because I'd be interested if you even like wanted to comment on what I had. That'd be kind of interesting. So yeah, basically, if I were to answer that, it's like no like pure 9 to 5 dev experience, but I have experience leading dev teams, if that makes sense. Which I think is the same as vibe coding. So stupid. Sometimes these freaking AIs just don't know what they're talking about. I don't have any any experience. I'm started vibe coding end of December. Oh, okay. Yeah, happy to help if you would like. What are you trying to build? Happy to talk something out with you. I'm not gonna steal your ideas, so don't worry about that. It'd be nice. I like to chat with people, so if you wanna ask me something, I'll happily. Or you can just chill. If you just want to chill, you can chill. Just don't respond. That's fine. It's all good. Had an idea from May, but was scared to build. Dude, don't be scared, man. What's the idea? I can help you think it through. Don't worry, man. Dude, ideas come and go. You just gotta try things out. Did I feel that though? Sometimes you have such a good idea and you're just scared it's not gonna work, so you don't build it. But that's not what we do here, not in this chat. You know, we work on things and we get places. Yeah, of course nobody does what we do. Of course. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Dude, this is so good. And let's use and pull direct lines of code where we can, and don't just look at some pieces of code and try to mimic. Actually pull real blocks. Yo, I think that we should. Dude, I want to collab with some people, man. No one out here is trying to collab. It's crazy. Everyone's like being all weird about it. I don't know how to elaborate. It's like an AI web chat, but aimed more towards memory and context. A belief tracking system and trying to make the recursive memory better. Okay, let me think about that. I'm just talking about like other streamers wanting to collab with me. Like they could review my code, or you know, I can try out their projects, things like that. Trying to make recursive memory better. Yeah, I mean, have you tried out? One thing I recommend is like trying out products in the similar category. I know that there's like, what what is that thing called? You know what I'm calling it? Oh, Graphify. Obsidian. Yeah, this is what this stack of AI tools. Low key. I think this is a pretty good one. And might do something similar. No, I'm not. I wish I was. Am I in a house of vibe coders? I mean, that's my brother, but he's not a vibe coder. That'd be sick. No, but he's a doctor. He's getting his PhD in psych. How do you try to fix something that I just caused? Dog, you're making mistakes, brother. Short-term crash loop to 10-minute cron. Okay. The batch is still running in the no correct tree 1 item. I'm gonna keep watching this. Tell me when it lands. It's probably fine. Tell me what I need to put the other side. be right back, boys. Going to the bathroom. Someone asked me if I was a house of 5 goers. Oh, got 7 people in the chat now. We got 7 people. How we do it? Oh, we got 7 people. Are we gonna do another push-up set? 50? If these guys chat, I'll do some push-ups. Sir, how's the progress? Passion. Can you mind a giving app later? What? Can you make a giving app later? What does that mean? It's a giving app. Oh, dog, you gotta go to sleep, brother. It's 12 o'clock. Give me one full. Oh, that makes you sleep. Dude, I developed this app. It's called Closing Your Eyes and Lying Down. It's a pretty good app. Prompt plays. Oh, thanks for coming back though, man. I appreciate it. All right, let's do some more push-ups. How many are we gonna do? Okay, let's do 40. 40 push-ups. All right. One, two. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 40. Light work. Can I give you a YouTube link? I love that product. Yeah, give me a link, dog. All right, let's see what this guy's cooking up. Dog, that link does not work. Oh. Okay. I'm not able to view that. I'm not sure. Can't actually view that. YouTube India, yeah, that might be a thing. Just tell me the title of the video. But if it's not in English, then I can't really watch it, or I won't really understand what it's saying. The channel name is AGRICI Daniel. Oh, I got a nice little comment. Someone says, nice work. Glad you enjoyed. Cloud Code just replaced SEO. Oh yeah, I've actually already did this. Yeah. Data for SEO. Yeah, I have that. Yeah, no, that's not too difficult. I think I've already built something like that. I'll definitely watch that video later though. But if it's just using an API, then I have done that. Did you see the video? Not yet. I didn't look at it yet, but I do know what they are talking about because I've seen it. Okay, I gotta run something on my other computer. Uses local models, 25 agent work relevant to content creation. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you know how I feel about local models. I don't like local models. Too weak. but yeah, I mean, I basically do have a local model running, honestly. Got my computer on the other side running their processes. Oh, I gotta update my push-ups. I did 150, right? Oh, 100. Feebrain and WizKid Harma 16616. What is up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. YouTube America gives a lot more money than YouTube India. I think it's good or bad. I mean, YouTube America we get probably 10x more than what YouTube India get. Just want your opinion. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's good or bad. I think it's just based on, you know, what the advertisers are willing to pay. I don't think it's either side is good or bad. Yeah, it's basically just what the sponsors are willing to pay. It's kind of, or the advertisers. I don't think either side can change. I think if people were more willing to sponsor or run ads for YouTube India, then YouTube India would pay more. But it doesn't seem like advertisers are willing to pay. So it's kind of the whole shtick. IMO. The reason behind this is what I think creator density is, which is very high in YouTube India as compared to YouTube America. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's pretty dense in both spots. Do I have a Discord channel? Dude, honestly, should I make one? I should make one, huh? Alright, let's make one. I gotta be chilling with you guys. Discord channel. Let me make one. Alright, you guys would join? Okay. Alright, let me make one. What's the progress, sir? What are you planning to make after this 24/7 video editor? Not sure. It's a good question. I think I'll make. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Okay, let me create a server for club or community. What should we call it? Let's call it AI Mastery. No, not AI Mastery. We'll call it AI Mastery Streams. No. AI. Let's just call it AI Mastery Streams for now. Mastery. I should call it AI Mastery. Alright guys, you're welcome to join. Is this my first vibe coded app? No, it is not. Yeah, the best thing I like to do when I go to sleep is close my eyes and stop watching YouTube. But honestly, if you're watching me, nah, dude, just stay. Just kidding. Yo, what's up? We got some boys in the chat. Hello. Yo, Passion. Appreciate the join. I'll let you guys know when I'm live. You can always chat with me. I might not be always super responsive because I have a lot to do, but definitely will keep y'all in the loop. Oh, we got 2 people. Pappy Resh. Welcome, welcome. All right, make sure that we're chatting in the chat box though. Preach. Is getting 4 hours of sleep bad? Yes, that's terrible. You gotta get more sleep than that. Will I end up with dark circles? Yeah, probably. Dude, I sleep like, how long do I sleep? I sleep like 8 hours a day. No dark circles. No dark circles for it. What is the guy behind me working on? He's getting his PhD in psychology, so he's a psych. He's a doctor. That's Dr. Matt back there. Yeah. We can chat in Discord after the stream is over, but let's keep it in the chat for now. If you gotta send me stuff though, you can send it to me on Discord. Okay, let me check on the other side to make sure that my things are good. Sleeping for 4 to 5 hours, 10 plus days now. Dude, gotta get some sleep, man. Gotta get some sleep, dog. Gotta get some sleep. I will try to improve. Okay, good. I think the best thing you can do is improve today. This is the report I got Meow. Meow. Guys, welcome to the chat. Guys, here is what we're building. Oh my goodness, gotta scroll so far up. I have a 24/7 video editor that makes videos just like this. And yeah, it's pretty fire what we do. We do a lot of good stuff. Can I sing a song? Brother, you do not want to hear it. Maybe if I got to 100 viewers, I would sing. But we're only at 6. Okay, let's see. Roblox pulled as requested. Can you check this out? Because I'm pretty sure that we have the full code on both sides. Okay, reload Bobby. Would it be better if I did some push-ups? Would that make you go to sleep? Okay, that's not the one. Oh, jeez. I'm drinking tea, yeah. I think it's, can't even tell. It smells like jasmine, maybe? I'm not sure. Jasmine tea. Okay, done. 0.05. Is it showing? Okay. Okay, looks good. Okay, can you help me sit this? some good teaming. What time's your class? 12. 12? Okay. Guys, look at how much code Claude has written. Holy moly. We have written 42,000 lines of code. Isn't that crazy? Insane. Whole operation end to end, fire no renders every new job correctly. Over it in place, nothing is blocked. Make sure that I have everything in built. Do say the video I shared with you from online your choice, but next year will mean I want to talk about that. Can you? Yeah, just send it over Discord because I couldn't open it. Also, one is superpower. One of the skills, yeah, superpowers. That's good. It's a good skill. Yeah, but honestly though, superpowers, dude, that's a token drain. If you have that on all the time, I think will drain your tokens. So be careful. That thing will drain your tokens. Guys, we're literally about to test my computer going live controlling it. It's gonna be crazy. What is GSD? Oh, I've seen this one. Yeah, I haven't used that one, but I'm sure a lot of skills if you're running it, you know, if you're running it in if you're running it all the time, it's gonna burn tokens. So be careful with those. This is sick. I have like 2 consistent viewers. That's freaking awesome. Yo, would you guys ever watch me play like video games or something? Just trying to feel it out. GSD, I think, yeah, you just got to be careful because you never know how much it's gonna use. How much tokens it's gonna use. So I'd be checking, every time you use it to make sure that you're not just dumping. If you're using both, I would be worried. That's probably a big reason why your credits go bye-bye so fast. Okay, guys, are you ready? This is going to be the craziest thing. Okay, we got 4 people in chat. Okay, everyone, let's watch. Let's see if Claude can make his own tutorial for me. Okay, so I have Claude in Chrome. Okay, I'm going to say, okay, please try to make your own document. Go to the Drive website, create the doc, and type in and make the comment. Okay, right now it's saying that it's telling me that it's able to create a new Google Drive document and then make a comment on the doc and then make a video about it. Yeah, creating 219 skills. Yeah, that's it's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Okay. It says it's connected. Okay, guys. It's taking control. Okay. Okay. So he's making, oh, sorry, I didn't have it open. So he's making a new doc. Okay. No, it plus shared drives. Dude. Come on, Bobby. This is freaking hilarious. Okay, I'm going to change the stream room to, oh, I guess not right now. Basically training my AI employee. Dude, come on, man. You gotta be doing better than that. Okay, okay. Press new. Okay. Okay, come on. Scroll down to Google Docs, please. Please. Okay, okay, it's doing it. No hands. Dude, passion. Good luck. Good. Have a good sleep. Okay, come on. Come on. Press blank document. Yes! Let's go! Oh, I made a document. No way. No way. No way. Come on. Type something. Type something. Type something. You piece. Type something, you piece. Type something. Oh, it's changing the title. Okay. It didn't really do that well. I mean, I guess it kind of, it renamed the document. That's not bad. Good night, though. Passion. Dude, what are we doing? Okay, it fixed the title. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, you guys are saying something. You guys are saying the craziest thing. Come on. Type. Oh, there we go. It typed. It typed. It typed. Dog, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it, brother. Make a comment. Make a comment. Make a comment. Don't do it. Comment, 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 comment. Comment, comment. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It did the full tutorial. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. It made the comment. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. No way. No way. No way. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Is it done? Is it done? It made the comment. Oh, okay. Okay, and then now I made the video. It made the video. It made the video. Copy link. No way. No way? Oh, no. That's just a dog. Motherfucker. Oh, no, I didn't make the video. No, I want you to do the full recording end to end. Dude, I don't know if you guys saw what just happened. That's so crazy. That was insane. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that actually worked. Dude, I'm tripping. I'm tripping out. It's gonna get so much better too. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping. Guys, let's freaking go. Freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, we actually did it. Oh my goodness. Dude, the two people in chat were able to watch the birth of AGI. Dude, that's freaking crazy. It made the new document. It put text into the document and it made a comment on it. That's crazy. Oh, actually, wait, hold on. Guys, we actually freaking did it. This is awesome. We literally made AGI. Not like actually, but like kind of. So sick. So freaking sick. Dude, that was so crazy. That was so crazy. You know what I'm gonna do as well is I'm gonna make sure that my AI is able to use um, like the accessibility features in iOS or Mac OS, and that way, because like it's meant for people that can't see, right? So if it can find a way to harness it, then it might be able to do that. Oh. Freaking sick. I'm so excited. This is crazy. Dude, eventually I'm just gonna be streaming. I'll just be streaming my AI, just trying to figure out tutorials. Okay, shoot this. Yep, YouTube, baby. Let's go. Let's go. The operator appreciate you still being here, my guy. Dude, we're making major progress. You'll see. I'm gonna have to do some research. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's make this work. Okay. Come on. Okay, Bobby's warming up. He's warming up. He's gonna do his own process. Okay, Bobby, let's get this. Dog. Wrong. Frickin' thing. Come on, Bobby. You got this. You got this. No, it's wrong. Okay. Do some squats. Okay, it's running. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bobby. Come on. Come on. Please, 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 please. He's thinking. He's trying to record this tutorial. Let's see what he does.
forward to hearing the rest of the presentations. I think, yeah, this class has been great so far. Learning a lot of new material. And yeah, I've enjoyed being challenged with my own perspectives and some of the worldviews and beliefs that I had bringing into this class. And yeah, I mean, it's been a vulnerable process of critically examining those assumptions and worldviews, but yeah, I mean, it's been great. And even just like learning about the model minority myth, I can definitely see how that framework has kind of shaped how I view and interact with the world. Just really keep your head down, work really hard, and you'll succeed. Really downplay systemic racism and really just avoid touchy subjects. I feel like that was part of growing up for me. Interacting with like multicultural issues was not really like a primary topic, hot topic that I grew up discussing. So it's my goal for the presentation is just so that you guys can get a better understanding of my worldview and perspectives. So first, starting off with the proximity to power, the wheel of privilege. Most of my traits are in the inner circle and the middle, with marginalized trait being race or skin color. So yeah, citizen of the U.S., born and raised in the state of Hawaii. And yeah, I think that kind of adds a little twist to my Americanness that I will go into detail a little bit later. Gender, cisgender male. English is my primary language. No typical disabilities that I've been diagnosed with. Heterosexual, cisgender male. Able-bodied, no diagnosed physical disabilities. Pursuing a doctoral education, which I see very much as a privilege, and I'm grateful that I have this opportunity. Grew up in a middle class. Always had the opportunity to have my basic needs met. Didn't ever feel like I had to deal with the lack of anything you needed or wanted. For housing, I have the ability to pay rent, and looking forward to moving down to San Diego, currently in downtown LA. Yeah, trying to find a place, and has been a little stressful, but also exciting. Really excited to get back to San Diego to be with you guys in person. Average body size, maybe a little smaller compared to like typical American. Mental health mostly stable as well. Yeah, so I am ethnic or racially Japanese, from Japanese descent. And yeah, we can talk about that a little bit later. Yeah, I would say that just by reflecting on this proximity to power, definitely have a lot of identities that are associated with power and privilege. And so, kind of reflecting on that quote of, you don't, something about privilege being like oxygen and not knowing it unless it's gone. I feel like it's very relatable for me. And yeah, just growing up the way that I did, didn't realize that I do have a lot of power and privilege based on these traits. Okay, moving into addressing framework. So first, starting off with generational influences. This is kind of my millennial starter pack. Um, I did not grow up with an iPhone. I had one of these really cool devices that you have to flip open to text. 200 word limit, and if you went over your texting limit, then you got in trouble by your parents. iPod was a really cool thing. Also, having wheels on your shoes, that was also what the cool kids were doing back in the day. And so, yeah, and also like the bracelet thing going on there. Um, yeah, I think that kind of I was at the tail end of the millennials and kind of experiencing some of the start of Gen Z. So access to computers during school, but still doing a lot of paper and pencil tests and writing type things. Yeah, so experiencing a lot of digital and cultural transition during this time. Disabilities, for the most part, I would categorize myself as being able-bodied, nothing diagnosed. One thing I would say is I do have some back pain. I got injured surfing a few years ago, and so I don't know if you can tell, but I'm always like standing up. I have like a standing desk, so I do prefer standing rather than sitting, which I realize is slightly problematic going into this profession. So we're working on that. Oh, okay. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, I'm gonna have to think about that. Okay. So religion and spirituality, I identify with the dominant group of Christianity, being born and raised into a family that was very Christian oriented, Christian values, going to church weekly. I'd say that, yeah, I mean, this is a big part of my identity and just has shaped the values and beliefs that I have. A lot of Christian school, Baptist school, and elementary high school, and I went to a Catholic university that wasn't necessarily religious, but it was still a Catholic university. Also did some theological training after that. And yeah, really was interested in spiritual care and working with people from a spiritual lens. And yeah, ultimately finding that, you know, spirituality can be a big part of people's lives, but you know, there's a lot to care about a person that is not necessarily just spiritual. And so I was kind of impacted by a professor during my theological studies that was very like psychologically oriented, and yeah, just really explored more mental and emotional things outside of spirituality, which is kind of how I gravitated to doing what I'm doing today. But yeah, aligned with the historically dominant religious framework in the United States, so not really facing any discrimination for what I believe, although I feel like it's not as dominant as it used to be. Okay, ethnic and racial identity. So I kind of would categorize myself with being from Japanese descent, but also influenced by the Hawaii subculture, as well as American values and beliefs. Being a fourth generation, so my descendants immigrated from Japan to Hawaii to work in sugarcane plantations. And experiencing a lot of different things that are related to Hawaii. So just some of the things I could think of is that food plate in the middle is just, I think a lot of food in Hawaii is like fusion and kind of a mix of all the different ethnicities. And yeah, I love it. One thing I would say is I never really understood why Hawaiian pizza was called Hawaiian pizza, because nobody that I really knew really put pineapple on their pizza. So I always thought that was kind of an interesting thing. I mean, I love pineapple, and we put like this sour plum powder similar to like tahini or something like that, but not on pizza necessarily. Yeah, some other things like culturally, there's a lot of like lei giving, especially for graduations and ceremonies. This is what the typical person graduating high school or college would look like. Can't really see their head just for leis. Yeah, I think that growing up in Hawaii has given me interesting perspective because I didn't really grow up feeling like a minority. I think especially in Hawaii, the dominant majority is Asian, which is not necessarily the same for other states. And so, yeah, didn't really experience discrimination or because of my race, kind of feeling like, oh, everybody around me kind of looks similar to me, more or less, and really experienced a different perspective going to college in LA. And so yeah, some values, very collectivistic. Lilo and Stitches, Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind, is like a very core value that I think has been ingrained into me, into the culture. Honor, shame culture, a deep respect for elders. Call people who are older than you auntie and uncle, even if you're not related to them. Socioeconomic status. Grew up in the middle class. My parents they work in healthcare management, nursing home, assisted living facilities. So yeah, always have roof over my head, food on the table, could afford to go to school, play sports. I always had access to education, medical, housing. Without really having to worry about that. Sexual orientation, heterosexual / straight. This is like the most. I try to just choose like a friendly picture there. I realize that it's not necessarily what fully encompasses what heterosexual / straight means. That I do like those. So indigenous heritage, none that I know of, or I don't have. Although growing up in Hawaii, there was a lot of native Hawaiian people there. And, citizen of the United States, but living on colonized land of the native Hawaiians. And so yeah, obviously there's like a lot of bad things and negative things that happen with colonization, but like also, there were some things that were good. This is like some, being that it was infrastructure that other developing Pacific Islands don't have. And yeah, so I wouldn't have immigrated here and be here right now if it wasn't for that. Although obviously there's bad things that happen, conflict and shit. Yeah, citizen of the United States. You didn't really have to, have no problem navigating the medical system, traveling around to other countries is not really an issue. So travel. Gender identity. I'm a male, and male assigned at birth. And yeah, this is just the fun random picture based on really long hair. That was a really cool city back in the day. And this is me in Indonesia. And I got my hair braided up like side fenders. Thank you guys.
Guys, we turned how to comment on a Google Drive document, and it took 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, so I wanted to say something about the integration of different Asian cultures influence in Hawaii. So even though I'm not from I don't really have any connections to Chinese descent or anything like that, it's very common to participate in lion dancing like at weddings or celebrations, even if you're not part of that religion, if you're not Chinese.
Okay, ending the